Hello, this is Jeff Kitzmiller from the National Weather Service in Missoula. This is your fire weather forecast that was recorded on Thursday, October 4th. We'll first start off and take a look at the water vapor imagery. The whites and greens are showing the current weather system that's passing on Thursday. Most of the precipitation thus far has been falling in north central Idaho and down into southwest Montana, with light precipitation into west central and mostly dry or just very light precipitation up in northwest Montana. That trend will continue for the rest of today. As you can see, there's still a lot of energy coming off the Pacific coast. There's this shortwave trough that's moving in today, and this starts our progression into more of a troughing, cooler, or remaining cool type pattern with ample opportunities for precipitation. Here's the overall picture shown by model data. As we move forward into Friday, it looks to be a little bit drier. Friday's probably one of our driest days that we'll have in a little while. And that's while we're in between weather systems and before we transition into a more trough pattern. And that starts on Saturday, where we bring in better chances for precipitation, especially south of Highway 12 or I-90. And then we get into this really deep trough that takes over most of the west. And under this pattern, we're expecting it to be well below normal for temperatures and precipitation chances almost any given day. It does look like right now that on Monday we might have another drier period before another weather system comes in and moves cooler air from the east and better chances for precipitation throughout the whole entire region on Tuesday and Wednesday. And this one's cold. It's a cold system. It looks like we'll probably have low snow levels down to maybe even valley floors, so we'll need to keep an eye on that. For the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, with the broad trough over us, being below average on temperatures is pretty likely. And there's some indication that we'll be right on the edge of seeing higher amounts of precipitation, higher than normal. But most of that is off to our east, so it may end up being fairly close to normal. Our next fire weather briefing is scheduled for Sunday, the 7th. Have a good day.